Let's compare the Swiffer Sweeper to the Quickie Bulldozer broom. So the Swiffer Sweeper is great for picking up dust off your floor. You've got these little pads on here, and we can move this along on the floor and pick up that surface level dust. It's great for dusting inside the house. You can get into these little crevices and under furniture and stuff. It does a great job of that. The Quickie Bulldozer, on the other hand, is a traditional broom. It's got these really nice dense plastic bristles all the way along here, and you can use it for covering a much larger surface area. So, I mean, look at the size difference between the Quickie Bulldozer and the Swiffer Sweeper here. So we can really cover quite a large area, and you can see you're basically just pushing the dust along into a pile, and then you would have to come along with a dustpan and pick that up, or if you were near a door, you could push this outside. Now, I think the best thing about the Quickie Bulldozer is that it's great for those rougher floors, like outside, for cleaning paths, for cleaning the garage. I don't use it so much inside the house. On the other hand, the Swiffer Sweeper, again, is great for working inside of your house, where you're going to be dusting on the floor, getting those wood floors. You can see it just goes along and just grabs that dust and locks it in. So I like to use the Sweeper for those smaller indoor cleaning jobs, and then I like to use the Quickie Bulldozer for the garage, for outdoor paths, and if I have a big spill in the house, it can be really helpful for that too.